Morgan will be doing a language for learning lesson 28. We'll start from the exercise 1. What did you say, Ari?
I want 1 more minute.
1 more minute with iPad?
Yes.
Okay, 1 more minute.
I want Louis not done.
Oh, not yet, Ari. Do you want to tidy that up? Amazing. Give me a high five.
Candy.
Oh, you'll get candy. Look, we have so many candy. You'll
I
get
want
them
my
later.
team.
You want to watch machine?
Yes.
Okay, we'll watch machine later, okay?
After we've answered some question.
Yeah? Should we do some work first?
Yes.
Alright, hands
Good
on
job.
the table. How do we put our hands? On the table. Do you want to stretch a little bit? We're going to do some actions, okay?
I want Nicolas face.
Oh, we'll fix it later. Can we put it here? Alright, now we're going to do some actions, okay? Ari, we're going to do some actions, okay? Now watch out for my signal. Alright, wait for my signal. Touch your nose. Touch your mouth. Put your hand down. You have to wait for my signal. Okay, should we try that again? Touch your nose. Touch your mouth. Put your hand down. Good job. Good trying. You're listening to the track. Here, have this though. Here. These spots are called ears. What are these spots called?
Yeah.
Now, touch your ears. What are you doing?
Yes.
Say the whole thing.
I am touching my ear. Mommy?
Alright, now let's try, okay? Touch your ears. Touch both your ears, Ari. One more time, put your hand down. Touch your ears. What are you doing?
Touching my ear.
Say the whole thing.
I am touching my ears.
What are you listening to, Ari?
Listening to the track and
Touching my ears.
Put your hand down.
One more time.
Trying, okay?
Mm.
Alright, let's try one more time, okay? This time you have to keep touching. You have to do what?
Touching.
Keep touching, okay? Alright, touch your ears. Both your ears, Ari. Good job. Hands down. Touch your ears. Hands down. Touch your ears. Put your hand down. Good job. Have this.
That is for touching your
Ears.
But
and
remember, we have
touching.
to keep touching, okay?
What are you doing?
Touching my ears.
Say the whole thing.
I am touching my ears.
Put your hand down. Yay! Good,
Good
job.
job.
You touched your ears till the end. Here. Till I told you to put your hand down. Good job. Give me a high five. Amazing. Here. Good job. Now let's continue, okay? Remember, we're still touching your we're still doing some actions, okay? Put your hands on the table nicely. Okay, now watch. Watch, watch, watch. These spots are called eyes. What are these spots called?
Eyes.
Touch your eyes. What are you doing?
Touching my eyes.
Say the whole thing.
I am touching my eyes.
Put your hands down. Okay, now touch your mouth. Touch your nose. Touch your ears. Touch your eyes. Put your hands down. Good job. Here, have that. You really tried, okay? Here. Yay! Now listen, okay? We are going to talk about, oh, you want to stretch? Okay. What's your shirt?
Green.
Green, good job. Who's wearing a green shirt?
I am.
Good job. That's
Blue.
correct.
It's been on.
Oh, do you want to have a brown candy? We're going to talk about
I
my hand and the table. What are we talking about?
My hand.
Oh,
You. Hand.
and the
Table.
That's correct. Okay.
I want snuggle.
You'll get snack time later, I promise. Okay?
Just snack.
All right.
Snug.
Yeah, you'll get snack later.
Later, okay?
Yeah.
We're gonna set timer.
All right. Now listen. All right. My turn. I'll hold the hand on the table and tell you if I hold my hand on the table. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Now look. Watch, watch, watch. Is my hand on the... Watch. Watch. Go ahead. Do this. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Now watch.
Different colors.
Remember, we were talking about my hand and the...
Table.
Good job. Here, have this for the table. That is for the table, okay? We're talking about my hand on the table, okay? Now I'm going to tell you if my hand is on the table. Watch.
Mom.
Watch, Watch. Watch. Look at my hand. Is my hand on the table? Yes. Now again, I'm gonna tell you if my hand is on the table. Is my hand on the table? No.
No.
One more time. I'm gonna tell you if my hand is on the table. Is my hand on the table? No.
No.
Now your turn. You're gonna tell me if my hand is on the table, okay? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, now watch. Where's my hand? Point at my hand. Point at my hand. How do you point at my hand? Like that. Now point at my hand. Point. Good job. One more time. Point at my hand. Point. Good job. Knock. Point.
Louis said
Point at my hand. Good job. Now watch. Okay? Ready? Now watch. Here's my hand. Is my hand on the table?
Yes.
Good job.
You
Here.
too. I want you too.
Here, have that for my hand.
You
on the
too.
table. All
That
right.
you too.
Watch again. Watch. Here's my hand. Watch.
I want car.
Knock. Remember we're talking about my hand on the
I'm
table.
going car.
We're gonna watch green car later, Ari, but let's talk about the hand and the table. Are you ready? All right.
So many things, okay? You'll watch.
Miss.
We'll watch, okay? First we have to do some work and then we can watch.
Okay.
Do you want to watch Mr. Bean?
Yes.
I'll put for you Mr. Bean, okay? But first we have to do some work, okay?
We're gonna set a timer to watch Mr. Bean, okay? Because you've been asking a lot. There you go. Now watch. There is a timer. We're gonna put 10 minutes.
It's not.
There, look. The timer is on. All right. So we're not gonna ask again, okay? Because the timer is on. When the timer goes off, then you can ask. Are you ready?
Okay.
Good.
All right, ready? Now remember, we're still talking about my hand on the table, okay? Now watch. Is my hand on the table?
No.
No. Yes, that's correct. No. Now watch one more time. Is my hand on the table?
No.
No.
Job.
One more time. Watch. Is my hand on the table?
Yes.
Yes. Now we're gonna practice saying the whole thing. But first, here, have this candy for answering so nicely, okay?
Got it.
Oh, we'll put that on. That one is empty. So sorry. Oopsie. Oh. Now let's say the whole thing. Now watch. Is my hand on the table?
Yes.
Let's say the whole thing. Your hand is on the table.
Your hand is on the table.
Ja. Is my hand on the table?
Yes.
All by yourself. Say the whole thing.
Your hand is on the table.
On the table. Good job. You're confusing. Give me a high five. How about Pat? Game. We're gonna play a fun game called Missing Objects. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Now what do I have here?
Spinner.
I have a spin, and what else do I have?
Chain. Necklace.
Necklace. Yes, a necklace. Okay. Now I'm gonna take one away. Okay. But first, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Oh, what happened? You moved your glasses?
Or you can tidy them up then. All right.
Tidy up your glasses.
Hey.
Now close your eyes.
I don't know whether you remember what we had. All right. Ready?
Shall we start again?
Look, I'm not here. Look at this. What is your name?
Sunny.
Okay, Harry. Now remember, we're playing Missing Objects, okay? Do you want to tell me what we have here?
Spinner.
We have a spin, and what else do we have? We
Necklace.
have necklace, okay? All right, now close your eyes. Oh my goodness, which object do I have?
Spinner.
And which object is missing?
Necklace.
Shall we say the whole thing?
This
The necklace?
necklace is on.
Oh, is?
Me.
Is
Me.
mini.
Miss.
Me is
Missing.
missing.
Yeah, say the whole thing again.
The necklace is missing. Your turn.
The necklace is missing.
Yes, that's how we say it. One more time. The necklace is missing. Your turn.
The necklace is missing.
The necklace is
Big
missing. That is good.
ball.
Try here.
The
Have
ball.
that. I'm going to touch some objects in this room, and you tell me what I touch. Now, watch. What object am I touching?
The table.
Say the whole thing about what I am touching.
You are touching the Table.
That is
That's
so
right.
good. Now, what am I touching?
Well,
Say the whole thing about what I am touching.
you are daddy. Well, wow.
Yes, that's correct. You are touching the wall there. Amazing. Now I'm going to ask you a few questions really fast, okay? You have to listen. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Ready.
All right, quiet hands. Which school do you go to?
What the?
Yes, Waldorf. And what is the name of your teacher?
Did I see it?
Teacher Justin. Now this is a trick one, okay? Listen. Which city do you live in?
Nairobi.
Nairobi. Give me a high five. That was good. Here, have iPad.
And we got
Actions. Are you
Action
ready?
pronouns.
Action pronouns, okay? Now we are still going to do some actions. Are you ready to do some actions?
yeah.
Yes, are you ready to do some actions?
Yeah.
Give me a high five. Do this. All right, now listen, okay? Now, let's all stand up. Nicely. Stand up nicely. Stand up
For the
here.
table.
Yeah. Let's all stand up, okay? What are you doing?
Standing up.
Say the whole thing.
I am standing up.
That is amazing. Here, have candy for standing up. You have to stand up nicely first. Are you standing up nicely?
Yes.
Have candy. All right, now listen. Okay, ready? What am I doing, Ari? What am I doing?
Standing up.
Now listen, okay? Say the whole thing about what I am doing.
Yeah. Standing up.
That's correct. You are standing up. Give me a high five. Now listen. Watch. I'm gonna hold your hand like this, okay? Ready? Now listen. Good job, we're just standing up nicely, okay? We're just standing up. Oh, right. We're just standing up.
Nothing.
Are we standing up nicely? All by ourselves like that. That's good, okay? Now listen. Who are standing up? We are. Who are standing up, Harry?
Stand up nicely, Ari. Hey.
We are. So who are standing up?
We are.
Remember, we're working to get what?
Candy.
And what else?
Yeah.
And what else? Now we have to stand up with hands by our side and listen. Remember what we talked about? Now stand up nicely, hands by your side, and we? Yes, and then we're gonna get chapati, okay? All right, let's stand up nicely, hands by our side, and you listen with what?
Yeah.
Now stand up nicely and face on Louise. Oh,
Nicely. Ready?
you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Remember what we're working towards.
Okay.
Oh, that's right. Okay, let's listen and then finish and get chapati. Are you ready?
All right.
Good job standing nicely, Ari.
Okay. Now listen. Let's say the whole thing about what we are doing. We.
We are daddy standing up.
Oh, you confused that. Let's try again, okay? Oh, you have to stand up nicely here. You have to stand up. Here. Now listen. Let's say the whole thing about what we are doing. We are. Let's say it together. We are standing up. Let's say it together. We are standing up. Let's say it one more time together. We are standing up. That is good. Saying it together. Here, have candy. We are standing up. Okay. Now you're gonna try all by yourself. Okay. Ready? Come this side. Okay. Now say the whole thing about what we are doing.
We are standing up.
We are standing up. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. You can go have a sit now.
Thanks.
You want to have an iPad?
Yeah.
Notice we have laminated a few cards from DI and a few cards of action statement like sitting down, standing up, eating. This is to just enable him and to help him discriminate between all these actions because we felt it wasn't strong enough and we just wanted to give him a history of knowing like he's sitting down. So if he's not sitting down, he's not. So that's the laminated card. You'll notice on our graph we're still on lesson 29. We've been just there. It's because we want to make this strong, very strong, so that when we move on we don't come and just have to go back again.
To make the action strong, because we're also giving him a variety of different way you can sit. You can sit on the floor, you can sit on the chair, you can sit on the couch, you can sit on a car, you can sit everywhere. So that's we want to try and strengthen it like different ways of sitting. So we've created a few little tact cards of different actions not just standing, sitting, of different actions. Yes, to just help him and make it stronger. Yeah.
Some are real life, some are animated, just even to give him the history of both of them.
Of success.
And also, we have this.
Pattern features.
This is Salma's idea. We just have
Did I
things.
see it? Yeah.
We just have things that we didn't teach him. Like when.
Turn it around, Liz.
Oh, yeah. Like, oh, go ahead.
That's pattern features of a pencil. Remember, we did pattern features of a pencil, which was just a pointer and the eraser, but we discovered in DI it has a shaft. So that's why we created that to just, to strengthen the part. And we're doing it as a tact and then pattern features.
Yeah. Also, there are tacts which he didn't know, we didn't teach rather, and now we're just having the cards and doing tact on the table throughout the day. Not in a formal way, but in an informal way, but we're still teaching them. Yes. Alright. My part of a pencil, Larry. Now, can you tell me what is this whole thing? What is this whole thing? Yes, it's a pencil, and the pencil has.
Pointer.
Oh, what is this part I'm touching?
Eraser.
Eraser. What else does a pencil have?
Pointer.
Pointer. And we talked about what is this part, Abby?
Shaft.
Yes, shaft. That is amazing. Here. Oh, good job. You remembered. There you go. And you remember what this is?
Ruler.
Oh, what is it? It's a.
Choo.
What is that?
Bound.
Oh, it's a wagon.
Okay.
Do you remember what is that?
Okay.
Knock, knock, knock. So what is it?
Okay.
Wagon. Good job. Here, have that. That is for saying wagon, okay? Now I'm going to show you a picture. Are you ready? Are you ready, Ari? All right, here. Now look. What is this, Ari? This is a...
With the book.
Yes, but listen, okay? What is this? This is a gull.
Go.
Yes, what is this?
A car.
A gull. And what is this gull doing?
With the
Book reading, okay? This gull is reading. Shall we say the whole thing, Ari?
this girl is with the book.
Is
Good
this
job.
gull eating?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the gull.
Listen to the question.
Is this gull eating?
No.
No, this gull is not eating. Is this gull eating?
No.
Is she reading a book?
Yeah.
Yes, she is reading a book. Here, have this for reading a book. Ready? Alright, now look. Look, I have another picture here. Watch. Alright, what is this?
A girl.
Yes, a gull. And what is this girl doing?
Sitting.
Look at the gull, Larry. What is she doing?
Standing up.
The gull is standing up. Should we say the whole thing?
This girl is standing up.
Amazing. Remember, this girl is standing up, okay? Now watch. Is this girl eating? Is this girl sleeping?
No.
Is this girl standing up?
Yeah.
Now let's say the whole thing about what this girl is doing.
This girl is standing up.
This girl is standing up. That's correct. Here, have candy and. So this are some of the cards we have. We have so many cards. Even we've looked on lessons to come and printed the cards and laminated them just to enable him to have that history and success in just knowing the actions. Like it just be like something like, what is this girl doing sitting? And we don't have to ask him twice or just tell him to look nicely, just to give him that history. And also to get to a point whereby we just put all the cards on the table and ask him, cross out the girls who were sitting, cross out the girls who were standing, or the boys or the man who was standing. So that is going together with conditional discrimination graph, which we had stopped for the actions, conditional discrimination actions, which we're trying to do it together because DI also has it, and that's why we haven't been graphing the conditional discrimination graph. Yes, and if you have any advice, any pointers, please do tell us. Someone want to add anything?
Yeah, so also what we're doing is we're even doing it at net. We will be doing it at net, so whereby we'll all have the cards and we'll all have the different parts. So we don't want to like formally teach it as tact. So we'll bring it like in every aspect of our daily working. So like have him like even cross out to also strengthen the cross out beat, the action itself of crossing out. So we can even ask him to like cross out the shaft, cross out the girl standing, cross out the boy. Like we want to get to that level, so that's where we're trying to strengthen and strengthen and strengthen, because we realize like things like these actions and things like adjectives and preposition and all that.
Yes, even
They've
full and not full, not full and not full, not wet and not wet.
Yes.
Statements like that's a bit confusing.
Yes, and they're appearing a lot on our language for learning. So yeah, let us know what you think about that.
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Thanks for now. Bye.